Hi guys, so we are in update of Joying Octa Core navigation. This is the new firmware sent by Joying, and I hope some problems will be corrected. Like we have big problems to Bluetooth. It freezes. When the engine is turned on, it has a background, it inserts a background noise, and if you are in the factory menu and while you're changing from the high sensitivity to the low sensitivity, when you restart the navigation, it won't memorize that command, it will turn back to the high sensitivity. So this is a problem. I reported this to Joying. Well, I'm hoping this navigation will solve some problems, and if Joying can make this button will be great. This is now a mute button, but if they can make in the CAN bus function to work at the voice commands, would be great. Like I had the previous original from factory navigation, that button worked. Success, please remove the update device. Basically, you put the firmware files on FAT32 file format and will do the job. Another problem that this navigation has, when you click the plus or minus volume controls on a steering wheel, the navigation, the sound does not instantly goes to that value. I don't know, it flickers like louder volumes, lower volumes, it fluctuates, it doesn't stay, and I hope with this firmware the Joying will solve this problem. And it would be great as a tip for the future that to make this screen not a glare screen. You see my reflection here, matte screen, not glossy screen, to be able to see better in the direct sunlight on this screen. This screen is not bad, it's a good screen. I cannot say it's a bad screen, but it can be improved. So it completed the update, and it did a factory reset. So let's see what's new. First, let's get rid of this annoying sound tone. So in the menu everything looks the same. So I had to put back the radar display on off. Reverse parking line, you can insert. I'm curious, I was talking about this problem to the low and high sensitivity. Even if you stick it to the low sensitivity, it will turn back to high sensitivity, and this is a problem. While you basically drive, the car will insert some background noise, and I have an external microphone I had from factory, and I inserted the Joying microphone. The Joying, it comes with a jack, with a microphone, and the sound is improved. But I think with this high sensitivity, it inserts that sound, and this is not a good thing. I cannot hear the person who I'm talking to, cannot hear me correctly. At the about, it's still the Android 8.0.0. I think he improved some bugs. At the Bluetooth application, it's still 1.0. This application that freezes. Yeah, it has some glare, it has some reflection. This screen, this is not a good feature. I will install my application back, and I will see if the manufacturer resolves some problems. So in the Bluetooth application, I don't have my recent calls. Even when I click here, I have a lot of calls from this morning, and the recent, it doesn't show me the calls. Here it doesn't work every time, this wheel. I don't know why this touch has a problem. To go in the settings, it didn't fix the high sensitivity and the low sensitivity to the microphone. I never made a call, I don't know how the person can hear me, but I think the situation is exactly the same. While you drive with the car, the high sensitivity amplifies the background noise and all the noises, and the person hears the spinning wheels, here's the road. YouTube actually, and not your voice. And sincerely, I don't see an improvement to this navigation. So Joying, please fix our problems with these navigations. So this is pretty much it, guys, for this video. I will get in touch with you and I publish when Joying will fix these updates. I will publish another video and show you what problems can you fix with the update. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, guys, and have a great day. See you. Bye.